What's up?
We're getting our Z-Bot.
One more.
One more. That's what they always say.
Just one.
Just picked up the car, bud.
Woo! Mint condition, low miles.
She's pristine. Alright, so we're an hour and a half, 2 hours into it. Everything's done up top. We're about to raise it and take the whole drivetrain out. Interior is all out. Everything else is getting scrapped. And just gotta put it up, engine tranny out, and we gotta get the rear subframe and everything out. Just an update. We have the motor from the convertible all ready to go into the coupe. Already did everything. Mounted the clutch pedal and everything because this was an automatic. Have everything ready to go back in. Changed over all the harnesses. So hopefully we have no wiring issues. And we did find out there were some sweet headers. I don't know what brand they are. They were on this, on the blown motor, so we switched those over. And we're on the home run stretch now. We're both getting pretty tired. We both went through like a dozen Red Bulls.
Lord, that straight cut, bud.
Hell yeah, bud.
Oh, alright.
Alright, we finally got the motor in. We've rigged up a little hole here for the shifter.
Got the racing seats in.
Yep. Gonna try and start it up now.
Oh shit, the air's coming on. Yeah?
Yeah, put the key on and on a couple times without cranking it over. Get the fuel lines filled up.
Ready? Oh.
The car is running now. We were having problems. There was one connector that wasn't plugged in on the steering column that was hidden. That was causing a bunch of problems, but now it's done. Finishing up the rest of the body panels and everything now. Alright, so it's been 43 hours of labor in the past, what, 3 days?
3 days.
In the past 3 days, ripping everything off the convertible, putting everything on this. This was basically a bare chassis. It started. All we have left to do is the hood, bumper, and we have to bleed the clutch because this was an automatic that we converted over to a manual, and we're having a lot of problems. But she fires right up now.
Let's hear it.
Oh, she doesn't fire right up now. Alright, she's gonna start right now. And we're about to both go pass out because we've slept like 6 hours in the past 3 days. So I'm about to sleep until tomorrow afternoon. Ready to pass out?
That's all we got. We're out of juice.
We're moving at like 1/10 of the speed as we were when we started this morning. Let's roll.
Let's roll.